On the 20th of December 1994, there was a collision at Waterfall Station in Sydney. The train at the station was S66. The train heading towards the station after running a red signal was train S34. The sun was shining on the signal that S34 was coming up on, so it's called phantom signal, where something like a sun glare can create a false signal rating to the engineer. And at 13:05, the two trains collide, and S34 destroyed the footbridge down to the platform. 6 people are dead, involving the driver, making 7 people dead, but no injuries were in this accident, which was a good thing but a bad thing at the same time due to the 7 people dead. After one train collides with the other train, one of the trains jackknife onto the platform, demolishing the concrete pedestrian bridge. South of Waterfall railway station is the site of the Waterfall train disaster. The line has been electrified before this collision happened. The collision destroyed the electrification wires above the tracks. This collision was so deadly. This has been the Waterfall Train Collision, December 20th, 1994, inspired by Griffin Rails and Thunderbolt 1000 Siren Productions.